These trails have definitely seen better days. Some of my favorite roads and camp spots have even been completely wiped out by recent flooding. But where some doors close, new ones can open. We're going out to explore the old and find the new. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you had a great week. I sure did. We passed 10,000 subscribers. Feels good, man. We're going to head out today on an exploration mission. We're going to check out some of our favorite spots and see how they fared the recent weather. It's a terrible, miserable, rainy day out there, which means it's going to be super, super fun in the mountains. Let's go get it.
Tubbs is back.
Yeah, what's up?
Not much.
Yeah, I had to replace the tranny.
People keep asking about this thing.
Oh, the Nissan?
Yeah.
94 D21. I don't know, 513 gears, 37s, all the bells and whistles. That's pretty good.
We decided to stop in at the 4-Wheel Drive Association's Hale Creek Recreation Site. The trail down was scattered with fallen trees, and the road has definitely seen a lot of water erosion.
Look at that flex.
Stopped in at the Hale Creek work site. Have a little lunch. It's not raining too bad anymore. Super nice down here.
After a quick rest and chatting with some campers, we continued on with our journey. About 40 kilometers or so up the main Forest Service road, we headed up the mountain pass that would take us to the north side of Chehalis Lake. It wasn't long before we hit some fresh snow along the way as well.
That's comfortable.
Oh,
Yeah.
Water going into nowhere.
Yeah, there was a bit of a...
This part of the road has been completely wiped out by flooding. It's hard to imagine the amount of water that flowed through here to do this much damage.
Wow, look at this. Beautiful.
Wow, it's huge.
Yeah.
Look at this. Where's the actual river that flooded?
I don't know, it redirected itself.
A bit further and nearly half the road has eroded away. This cavern was about 2 meters deep. Luckily we were able to go around it. As I was saying about finding the new, the water flowing down the mountain has created a natural new path for us to explore. Perhaps we might even find some gold.
Well, this is another new one. I'm going up a washout. This tiny little creek here flooded and this entire side of the mountain washed out. Pretty crazy what weather can do. No gold. Oh well. Damn.
Oh yeah.
This is going to be a project.
Yeah.
Summer project.
Yeah.
It was unfortunate that there was so much damage to the shelter that had been built by Tubbs a few years earlier. Even the beach was covered with logs and debris from the high water.
The other side.
Holy crap.
That is nuts.
So a whole bank on the other side of the lake there has washed down from high water.
After checking out the lake and the surrounding area, we decided our mission here was done and we would head for home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. You're not going to want to miss what we do next. My name's Sean, and this is the story till now.